Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone is staying safe with the COVID-19 pandemic, is taking care of themselves and taking care of their families. I am currently self-quarantining here at my home office, and my wife does still have to go out and work every day. She works for the health department here in the state of Florida. She is on the COVID-19 call center, so she's receiving calls from people that wish to come into the Department of Health and get testing. So she is out and about every day. We were looking at the CDC recommendation a couple days ago that says everyone should wear a mask. And initially I was reluctant. I didn't see the need to wear a mask as long as we were doing social distancing, and was hoping that people that would have a cough or have a fever or have any symptoms would self-isolate and would be home and not out in the public. And being that we are only allowed to go out in Florida for daily needs, not to be out and about as we would like, I figured that the mask wasn't important. But when I saw this article out of Iceland, this kind of changed my thoughts on this whole matter. So Iceland has a total population of 364,000 people, and so far they have tested about 3.5%. They tested about 10,000 people, and they're testing about an additional 1,000 people a day. So in the United States, we have tested a total of 0.16% of our population. In Iceland, they have tested 3.5% of their total population. They are testing everyone. They're testing you whether you have symptoms or not have symptoms. Anyone that wants to be tested can go in and be tested. And what they are finding is that 50% of their tests are coming back positive but asymptomatic. So they have a 50% rate of positive testing with no symptoms. Now, obviously, these could be false positives, and I'm sure a portion of them are, but that also means that there's a percentage of people walking around that have the virus, can shed the virus, but have completely no symptoms. And this is probably the reason that we need to wear masks. And these are people that we're running into at the grocery store on a daily basis, and may actually have the virus and shedding virus, and we don't even know it because they're asymptomatic. If we look at the numbers here in the United States, there's 330,000 cases right now that have had positive tests. Now, if we look at that, that means there could be 300,000 people walking around with positive virus and absolutely no symptoms. That's kind of scary. So we went out yesterday and bought masks, and when we leave the house, we're going to wear our masks out in public and try to prevent the spread of this virus and try to stop and slow down the pandemic. I found this article really interesting. I'll put a link to the article on the email I send, as well as below this video. I hope everyone stays safe. I hope everyone takes this seriously. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye.